Hey guys, I'd like to start this vlog off with one quote. Prevent and prepare is better than repent and repair. Here are 4 ways of preventative car maintenance to make certain your vehicle is in peak conditions. Don't let small problems magnify into large hiccups. If you wait too long to get an oil change, it can cause excessive wear and tear, which at the end of the day will cost you more money. Keep a check on your car's fuel efficiency. Ensuring that all 4 tires are fully inflated will save you money over time. You might not see this right away, however, if you are taking a longer journey, it will eventually be significant. Preventing the need for emergency repairs. Properly maintaining the vehicle will mean that you can bring the vehicle in when it's right for you, and it will avoid the emergency situations. Ensuring that your vehicle is up to standards on regular maintenance will make your vehicle last longer, which will save money for you, not only for the vehicle you're driving, but the next vehicle that you're going to purchase. From oil changes to transmissions to tune-ups to body refurbishing, you have it all under one roof here at Performance Lincoln of Windsor. We look forward to meeting you in person.